Today I have a super recipe for you. Do you want to always have money? Do you want your money to go further? Do you know the benefits of this spectacular flower, Jasmine? I'll tell you about it in a moment. We all have a history, we all have a past, we all have something to heal, but many times we don't know how to forgive. Do you know that not forgiving prevents the soul from healing? That it leads to grudges, pain, resentment, burdens, anguish, and limitations? I wrote this phrase many years ago when facing difficult situations in my life, when I realized that I was forgiving for my own sake, for my own good, for my peace, my tranquility, and that of my children. And the phrase, which I share with you and invite you to keep very close to you, to forgive is to free the soul, to lighten the load, and to live in freedom. Right? The load really does get lighter because we live traveling light. The past is the past. And forgiving doesn't mean I forget. Forgiving means I see you with different eyes. I don't have you in my life anymore. I bless you and I release you with love. I wish you all the best, but you no longer fit in my life. That is what forgiveness is. It doesn't mean we're going to keep seeing each other, but lightening that load is very important because when we lighten the load, we live in freedom. I don't get overwhelmed. I don't get anxious. I don't get worried. The past is the past. What's lived is lived. As Margarita, my dear mother, would say, the past is smoke and the future is wind. You have to learn to live in the moment. And that is what forgiving, asking for forgiveness, and forgiving ourselves does. It lightens the load. Living in the present, present, present. What is the present? A gift, a present. Let's live in freedom. Let's live in peace, in harmony, forgiving, so that everything flows in perfection with us and with the universe. Hey, do you know that this flower, so magical and so wonderful, the jasmine, has a lot to give us, a lot to tell us? Personally, I love it. It's one of my favorite flowers. It takes me back to my childhood. That scent brings peace. It brings a lot of serenity and tranquility. After the report, I have a phenomenal recipe for you so that your money goes further, but especially for always. Yes, absolutely. An absolute, even though it's supposed to be that you shouldn't use absolutes like never and always. Oh yes, look. I always, always, always make this recipe. It gives me very good results. And I want to share it with you because I want everything to flow in harmony. So after the report on Jasmine, we'll go with the recipe so that you always have money and it goes a long way.
Jasmine, which isn't just white, but can also be other colors like yellow, is one of the most beautiful flowers. And in the South and Southeast Asian regions, it becomes an authentic symbol of purity and kindness. Setting aside its decorative nature and the symbolism it generates, it has several properties that can benefit you in many aspects of your life. In the world of beauty, jasmine is recommended for all skin types. Even the most delicate ones can use jasmine essential oil to help soothe irritations. It also moisturizes, hydrates, and provides elasticity to your skin. On the other hand, in the field of aromatherapy, the sweet scent of jasmine is used to reduce stress and combat sleep difficulties. Furthermore, its use is recommended to reduce anxiety levels and improve moods that may be experienced due to negative situations surrounding you. The main uses of jasmine oil are as follows. It helps you sleep better. This is said because jasmine has a calming effect. One of the best ways to use this is through a diffuser, combining lavender oils and an incense of your choice. This helps you relax and thus fall asleep faster. Radiant skin. You can put a little jasmine oil in things to use daily, shampoo, liquid soap, lotion, things that you use for your body. And this helps to reduce blemishes, improve dryness, prevent wrinkles, and soothe irritations. Perfume. Smelling jasmine as an essence that accompanies you on your skin helps relax the nervous system and provides a feeling of confidence and optimism.
What did you think of the report on Jasmine? Thank you, my chatty. How delightful. They are one of my many favorite flowers. I just love all aromatic white flowers. Hey, and I'm gonna give you this recipe that is one of my favorites. I'm very fond of almost all of them, but I especially love this one because it also works for other things, and I'll tell you about that in a moment while I'm making the recipe. This recipe is so that you always, and look, I don't really like absolutes, but so that you always have money in your purse to attract the energy of money to your home, to your businesses, so that your money goes further, everything that has to do with your finances. What are we gonna need? First, when are we gonna do it? As always, during a waxing moon, because we're talking about a recipe for money and abundance. We're gonna do it on the second day of the waxing moon. We're gonna need coarse salt, that is grain salt, wooden matches, incense, an orange candle. If for some reason you can't find an orange candle, the only one we can use instead is a white one, which contains all 7 colors. And we are gonna need a coin. I put several here on the table for you, well, so you can see. It can be silver, it can be copper, it can be gold. Preferably, it's by preference, it's preferable that, how do you say it? Preferably, thanks Bernie. Preferably, it should be gold. But if where you live, the country you're in, and so on, they don't exist or you don't have them, it doesn't matter. Use silver, use copper, use whatever color you have, but we do need it to be a coin that has been in use. So the older, the better. More. Like those. Ask your grandma or your mom if they have candles of. Oh, candles. Coins. And here we are gonna use only 1 coin. What are we gonna do? As always, we are gonna light the candle and the incense with our visualization, with love, with peace, with harmony. What is it that I need to always have money in my life? Why? Because I deserve it, because I work, because I put in a lot of effort, because I am positive, because I am a good person, because I deserve everything that the wonderful universe has for me. We light our little candle. I truly love to sit and watch the flickering flame of the candle and observe the delicate swirling smoke that the incense releases into the air. As I do this, I begin to deeply center myself, allowing my body to fully relax, and I open my heart to attract and manifest exactly what I deserve in my life. We are gonna change this recipe every month during the waxing moon. Super simple, super practical, and super economical. What coin are we gonna use? I'm gonna choose the silver one. The gold one. I'm gonna put the others here, and I'm gonna put it here, along with the coarse salt and my little gold bag, because what we are asking for is abundance, triumph, success, and prosperity. This recipe has a mix of ingredients: coarse salt, the circulating coin, and most importantly, my positive mindset. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna take the coin and I'm gonna tell myself, with the candle lit and the incense lit, that I deserve it all. I always have money in my wallet. I always have enough money, the necessary amount and more, to pay for everything I need for my family and for myself. And I even save. I save a lot, whatever you want to say to it. Remember that we are what we think. If I think well, if I think positively, what am I doing? I am manifesting. Why coarse salt? Because salt is abundance. Salt? Without salt in ancient times, well, they couldn't preserve food. So salt isn't negative, like, no, don't pass me the salt from hand to hand, it's bad luck. Of course not. On the contrary, coarse salt is excellent. But what coarse salt also does is absorb the negativity that's in the environment. And since what I need is to always carry money in my bag and my wallet and have it last, what I'm gonna do is very simple. I'm gonna put my coin in the little gold bag, and I'm gonna take a handful of coarse salt. A little handful. You don't need much. Well, 2. I'm a Sagittarius. I really like to have it more. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna close it, tie it with a little bow, and what's next? You're gonna carry it in your handbag, in your briefcase. No, well, the thing is, I hardly ever use a bag. I don't use a briefcase. Perfect. Put it near the entrance of your home, by your front door. Don't want it to be seen? Put it in your bedroom. I'm giving you several options. In your bedroom, at the entrance of your house, in the whatever you have for an entrance, foyer, living room, or whatever. In your bag. Really, what we should truly carry it in is in your bag. You can't carry it in your handbag. Look, we already made it small, and you can put it in the pocket in your pants, or you put it here, because this will make sure you always have money in your bag. For you. Let's move on to the questions, Isabel says. I've had insomnia for several nights. There's a tree outside my window, and it scares me a lot. I feel like someone's watching me. That tree is very old. I don't know why it's scaring me now. What do I do? Look, there are moments, Gemini, Pisces rising, Moon in Cancer. Maybe it could be your perception because you have Pisces rising. Here, trees, well, maybe you're attracting fear. A tree, unless it's very close to your window, is touching your window. It could be lowering your energy and making things not work out for you. Or it could be causing you insomnia. But if that tree has been there for many years and it had never happened before, it's not necessarily the tree. It's you yourself who needs to talk to yourself to see what's going on. I always suggest a little glass of water by the bedside and a pinch of salt. You can also add to all of this a little glass of water, a pinch of salt, and a lemon. Put a lemon with it, not inside the water, but outside the glass. And remember that the next morning you pour the water into the toilet, put out a new glass, and add some coarse salt. And when the lemon gets dry, you throw it away. Here, I feel, with what is happening astrologically, that your intuition and your perception are very developed. If someone were watching you, I assure you that with the signs you have, they are simply your guardian angels. Don't call upon fear. Don't attract it. Trees give us light, they give us peace, and they give us protection. Sylvia, I don't like getting involved in my children's lives. Oh, I congratulate you. It shouldn't be like that, because they do get involved, right? How are their moms for deal? And dads too, huh? Because it's not just us. Not me, not at all. There's proof that it's not. But his new girlfriend has changed him too much. For the worse. He already dropped out of school. Oh no, how? And he spends his time going from party to party. What do you advise me? What? He dropped out of school for a girl? He's a Pisces and she is Aries. Well, then how? Pisces is water, it's tender, romantic, sensitive. It always needs love, attention, pampering. Aries is strong. It commands, orders, directs. Me here, total fire. Fire. And fire, well, you have to balance it. What are we gonna do? We are gonna talk to the sun. I know he doesn't want to listen to you. Makes sense. And even more so when I imagine it's school. He dropped out of school. I imagine he's in high school. I'd like to think he's in high school. What advice can I give you? Many times talking to them doesn't help us much, but it is the most important thing, talking to them. Not at home. What would I do? I would take my son by the hand with all the love in the world, go to a cafe, to a restaurant, and start talking to him, confronting him with reality. Maybe raising the bar a little for the kid, right? Because many times we have their whole life solved for him. You're quitting school. Well, time to work, dear. Put things on the scale so he can realize it. And, well, you and I know that a lot of things could be going on, right? And I don't know how old your child is, But what I can tell you is that there is no one who can match a mom's mental power. What are you going to do? You are going to talk to your son in a photograph, and you are going to tell him what it is that he wants and what it is that you need him to want. I mean, right now, he isn't thinking much. He isn't thinking very clearly. Talk to the photograph. Or if he is asleep, when your son is asleep, talk to him here at the third eye, right here while he's sleeping. He's asleep. Talk to his third eye. Your son will hear you. Tell him exactly, no, my dear son, listen, I love you, I protect you, I take care of you, I pamper you. I have guided you all these years for you to come and quit school for the party, for the wild time, for having a blast. I mean, what's next? Talk to him just as if you were saying it to his face, but you are saying it to his third eye. If you can't say it to him while he's asleep and to his third eye, take a photograph of him and talk to it. Believe me, the mental power that we moms have, the intuition, the perception, and the ability to penetrate their thoughts and their emotions is incredible. That's why you never say to a child, oh, poor thing, my child, things aren't going well for him. No, don't say that. My children are always doing well. Talk to him and you will see great results. And besides, let me tell you something. In a few weeks, he won't even be with her anymore. Don't even worry. He will come to his senses. You'll see. And the guys here are cracking up. Okay, I know. Okay, yes, you understood me, right? Well, yes. Oh, look at them all cracking up. Bernie, what is that? Hey, we thank this whole Movic family so much. Thank you for being with us, for following us, and for making this channel bigger every time, because it belongs to you. I wish you lots of light. I am Mizada Mohamed. I love you all, and I want to see you thrive. Thank you very much for joining us. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with all our recipes, tips, and many topics we have for you. Lots of light, lots of peace, and lots of love.